In this section, we have to understand the integrals and areas. So first example, we have 0 to 20, and then next limit is 6 to 20. So then let us make a line and we put all these limits. So in this line, first I see 0, then I have 20, then the next one is 6 to 20. So I put like this. Now if you see the first integral, 0 to 20 is the whole thing here. And then you are subtracting 6 to 20. So the remaining is this one. And this integral is actually 0 to 6 fx dx. So that one is exactly this. So then we understand a is 0 and b equals 6. We are done. Now I'm going to the second one. Second one, you can do the same way. So you put the limit. First is going 5 to 15. And then next I have 5 to 9. And then I have 12 to 15. That's all we have. Now we see what happens. 5 to 9, that one is 10. 5 to 9 is 10. And then we have 12 to 15. 12 to 15 is 3. And then 5 to 15, whole thing is 30. So from this now you can easily understand that 9 to 12, this one is actually 30 minus 10 minus 3. So that gives you 17 exactly here. So this is the integral. Now we have found that when I have 9 to 12 fx dx, that one is 17. Alright, so now we'll be using this result to determine our integral. So this integral is giving you 12 to 9. You can put another negative in front and write this one as 9 to 12. And then you have 5 f of x minus 3 dx. Now when you pull all these, 5 is a constant, leave it outside to the negative sign. 9 to 12 fx dx, negative will be positive, and 3 integral 9 to 12 dx. So we have seen 9 to 12 is actually 17 units for the function. So the first integral we will be using 17. So we plug the value, negative 5 integral 9 to 12 fx dx is 17. So put here 17 plus we have 3. Now the integral meaning of this one is function is just 1. So the meaning of that one is, you can draw a picture. So y equals 1 is the line here, and then limit goes from 9 to 12. So this is basically a rectangle, and this length here is 3 unit and height is 1. So the area of that one will be just 3. So we plug here 3 times 1, which is 3. And simplified version is your answer. So you got negative 76, and we are done. I'll take one more example. We're given that the function is bounded below by 3 and above by 10, and the domain is negative 5 to 5. We need to estimate the integral negative 5 to 5 fx dx. So we start from the given relation of the function. We have 3 less or equals f of x less or equals 10. Now you can take integral in each of the sides. Integral negative 5 to 5 3 dx less or equals integral negative 5 to 5 fx dx less or equals negative 5 to 5 10 dx. Now you can understand the left hand integral is telling us that we have our boundary -5 to +5 and that the function is 3, so this is a rectangle like this. So in this rectangle your length here is 10 units and the height is 3 units. So the area of this rectangle will be now 30. 10 units times 3 is 30. Less or equals -5 to 5 fx dx. Less or equals, same thing happens there. So we have again -5 to +5. Now in this case our height of the rectangle is 10 units. So then area will be 10 times 10 is 100. So then we are getting 100. So the estimation of this integral will be between 30 to 100 and we are done.